Hello friends, today we are learning how to solve Mastermorphics Rubik cubes. So before starting Mastermorphics Rubik's cubes, you must to understand how to solve 3 by 3 Rubik's cubes. By using 3 by 3 Rubik's cube algorithm, you can solve Mastermorphics cube also. So I have Mastermorphics Rubik's cube in my hand. So here is some diagram and some notation to solve Mastermorphics Rubik's cubes. So here is a diagram. So edges, yellow becomes edges. These are the edges. These three are the edges. Every sides have three edges. Every sides. And these are the centers. These centers have two colors. And every sides have two centers. Three centers. And these are the corners. These three are the corners. Even this centerpiece you can see as a center. This also has a corner piece. And these are the some rotations. So some notations to indicate R, L, U, D, F, B. So if I holding cube like this, so my right becomes right sides. So if I say that R and R2, then 180 degree. If I said R, then single. If I said R2, 180 degree. Same as L indicates for left side. L 180 degree. L L2 upper. U U2 U U2. Same as down. Down is down. And this is back side. These are the basic notation to solve any Rubik cube. Now I have scrambled Mastermorphics cubes. So now we are trying to solve this cube with the easiest method. First step is to align a center. Centers means like blue, blue, blue in one side. It's like all centers in a one side. So I am taking as a pink, blue. Blue is here. Red is here. So red, and red, and next steps move red, this. Okay, so my red gets aligned in a proper way. So find out another centers blue. So blue, this here it is blue, so move blue, and one more blue is over here, so blue. So your centers gets aligned blue. Find out your next color yellow already in a solve position, so this is in a wrong positions. So move in a 180 degree. So your yellow gets solved. Same for the green. So green already in a solved position. So first step is to align a centers. So as I aligned all centers in a proper places. Okay. Now next step is to solve a edges. Means edges like here to make a cross sign. So I am holding like cubes. So I am finding uh, red corner edge piece. Red edge piece. So red piece is here. So I am taking on a down side. Okay. Okay, this case is a planar place, so I want always in a non-planar place, so I can fix this, insert this edge into here. So I am taking over here in non-planar place. This case is a non-planar means like a no plane for that side. So now just do rotate right side 180 degree and move this in here, and again rotate reverse 180 degree. So your edges get inserted in a correct positions. Now find out another red piece. So I can find here. So take into the bottom. Okay. Oh, this is a planar place, but I want in a non-planar place. So do like this simply. Non-planar. So move align centers. Now this is in a non-planar. So next steps is to just rotate this in a 180 degree and take non-planar in a this way and rotate reverse in a 180 degree again. So your edges get solved. Same do for the this side also. So we want to make a cross sign. So now color is a green. So I want green edges over here. So find out green. So green in a non-planar. So I can insert this edge over here. So just simply do same algorithm again. Holding is important, otherwise your cube gets stuck, not rotate properly. So edges get solved. This is also same case. This I want to here, but it is in a planar case. So simply do okay. And non-planar and orient center as it is. Now this is in a non-planar case. So move it to 180 degree and done. So your edges get solved. So second steps to solve the cross sign. Initially you align centers and then solve edges. So my cross sign is created. Now fix these corners. So hold cube like this. So now color is green and red. So I want green, red and blue corner piece over here. So just find out green. Okay, here is a green, blue and red. So whenever you want to insert it over here corner, so either color should be green or red, any of color on the bottom. So you can insert it like this. Okay, second steps same for this corner also. Red and green. So red and green, yellow. So I can find out over here. So just remove from that positions. Okay, fix as it is original positions. Okay, so now take this. So this condition is not a proper way, because we want either green or red color on the bottom sides. So simply move and okay. Now take in centers this color. Okay, just simply insert it in this way. Okay, now your corners gets aligned in proper way. Now sorry, now next step is to solve edges. So I have created some formula for the edges. How to solve edges? These are the formula left and right. So how you can use that, apply this formula. So find out yellow corner piece, yellow edges piece. So yellow edges piece here first to shape, take on top. Okay, non-planar, keep it as a non-planar. So your steps is this one, left side, left non-planar in a left side. So L clockwise, U clockwise, upper clockwise, R upward, U clockwise, R downward, again U anti-clockwise, and L clockwise, L upward, and U clockwise, and L downward. So you get this edges in a fixed position, but then you just insert it over here for same algorithm, with same algorithm like this. Got it? So you can insert it edges over here with either this algorithm or this algorithm. Now move to the next, this one. So I want, okay, so you get a right formula, the non-planar piece over here. So move anti-clockwise, left upward, upper anti-clockwise, left downward, then again U clockwise, and R upward, U anti-clockwise, R downward. So you get solve edges over here, but next steps is to insert into here. So simply insert it here. your edges and corner get solved. This is your third steps to solve edges. And 4 steps to solve corners. These are also corners. So just find out green colors, green corner, where it is green is here. So simply do like this. Same for the red. So find out red corner piece, where it is red, here it is a red. So red. Now you have to solve these edges. So my red edges over here, so I'm taking over here, but you can insert this with the help of this. So just combine this, reverse it, make it, and then simply do this thing. Okay, same thing for right side. So combine this corner piece with the edges, take in a opposite directions, align properly, then this take in this one, and so your two pieces get solved. So your two pieces get solved, two layers get solved. Okay, now third steps is to last layer. So for last layer I created some diagram for last layer. Okay, you can see that last layer. So this is a 3x3 solutions. So 3x3 R formula, F formula. So I want to create a cross sign over here. So simply hold cube like this. So I got this case. So I am applying this formula. U R upward, U clockwise, R downward, U clockwise, R upward, U clockwise 2 times, and R downward. So I got this same algorithm. R clockwise, U R upward, U clockwise, R downward, U clockwise, R upward, U 2 times clockwise. So you get this signs. So now you apply this formula, F formula. F clockwise, U clockwise, R upward, U anti-clockwise, R downward, and front anti-clockwise. So I get only one soul. So repeat this algorithm again. R clockwise, R upward, U clockwise, R downward, U clockwise, R upward, and 2 times U and R clockwise. So you will get cross sign over here. This is steps to solve your cross sign on the top layer. Now next steps is to solve corner pieces. So corner pieces I have after getting cross sign, you just simply apply this algorithm to get a cross signs. So this is already in a solve position. So I want to swap this. So whenever you holding like this, so this will not move, but these corners will exchange their places. So just apply this formula. R downward, front clockwise, R downward, 2 times back, R upward, front anti-clockwise, R downward, 2 times back, and R 2 times clockwise. So this will exchange over here. So need one time, so it will automatically fix to correct positions. So same algorithm. R downward, front clockwise, R downward, 2 times back, R upward, front anti-clockwise, R downward, and 2 times clock. So your Master Office gets solved. Thank you.